going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Everyone will love to have a healthier lifestyle when it comes to better food choices. And when it comes to veganism for beginners, a lot of them get overwhelmed as to where to start. If it was me, my first crack at it would be a plant-based recipe cookbook on how to cook vegan dishes. It may look complex at first with all the different types of food items, seasonings you can use to create a perfect dish, but once you get through this course and learn these recipes from the full color cookbook that you can view right from your computer, tablet, or phone from any location, you will learn how easy it is to whip up 30-minute dishes in no time flat. If you have been under a rock for the past 5 years, there are many benefits to living a vegan lifestyle. The Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook will guide you along the way on how to lose weight, how to get clearer skin, and a healthier heart. Also, you can dispel all the vegan protein myth that some people talk about muscle building, because you can still build muscle and get strong by eating delicious plant-based recipes found in this Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. By sticking to a vegan lifestyle, you will feel your energy increase along with a better mood and mindset. It will cover everything from burritos to chocolate mousse. Seriously, we're talking about sweet potato curry rice, making omelets, wraps, vegan pasta, tacos, protein fudge bars, and much more. There will also be a special recipe category as well when it comes to juicing and creating powerful smoothie drinks, along with vegan recipes for soups and sandwiches. The Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook will break out a grocery list for you that will cover breakfast, lunch, dinner, and also dessert and snacks. There will also be a cookbook bundle that will cover what you should be stocking up on, a green smoothie lifestyle recipe book to try out raw food diet when it comes to juicing. You will also get 4 free meal plans, the 4 samples, 2,000 to 3,500 calorie menu for fat loss, muscle gain, and maintaining your weight. So if you're ready to take the step into a healthier lifestyle, check out the links below in the description that will take you to the landing page and review everything I have just mentioned and more when it comes to this powerful plant-based recipe cookbook and start becoming a better you. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I'll reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and they'll also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well, floating around right here. Remember, always get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.